What's up guys, this is Sean with Sin Gravity Fitness, and I have a question for you. What drives you guys to go to the gym and do your workouts? Let's get to it.
Yeah, sharp like an edge of a samurai sword, the mental blade cut through flesh and bone. Know my mind's at peace, the word out of order.
Why do you go to the gym? And why do you do your workouts? It's a simple question, right? I want to look thinner. I want to look stronger. I want to be stronger. All are valid answers. But it's just as Jeff Cavaliere said from Athlete X. If you go to the gym just to say you went to the gym, then you're not going to get stronger. You're not going to lose weight. Because when you get to the gym and you're going to do your workout, you got to work hard. You can't just be the person that gets there, sits on a bike, on your phone, and expect to get results. It's not going to happen. Similarly, if you're doing curls with the lowest weight, just lifting them up and down, kind of spacing out, you're not doing anything. Go back home, go do some chores, you're not achieving anything. Every time you get to the gym, the mindset you have to think is, what can I do different today? How can I challenge myself today? I'm not asking you guys to overtrain. If you're at the gym every single day lifting as heavy as you can, eventually something's going to give. It's moderation. Perfect balance. Challenge yourself every single day at the gym safely. Going back to my bicycle example, if you're a person who wants to lose weight, and you're that person that goes on that bicycle every day and sits on your phone and just half-asses it, you need to ask yourself this, why are you there? If you're there to lose weight, you have to put the effort in. If you're there to gain strength, you have to put the effort in. It's not going to come by itself. I'm still not there. I'm on my way up. But if you want to look and feel the way you want, then you've got to put the effort in. It takes hard work and time. It takes time. You see all these magazines all the time. Lose 20 pounds in a month. Is it doable? Yes. But most of the time, in not a healthy fashion. You could be working as hard as you can every single day at the gym and you're not seeing anything change. Well, process of elimination. If all your workouts are intense and all your workouts are challenging every single day, it's got to be something else. Nutrition. Nutrition is almost more important than the workout itself. Your workout, best workout you've ever done in your life. But if you're eating like shit, then at the end of the day, you're making it that much harder for you to achieve your goals. Here's the point. I'm challenging you. Yes, I'm challenging you. Go past your limits. Challenge yourself every single day at the gym and challenge yourself to eat healthy. Because if that's what you're aiming to do, it's achievable. You can do it, the guy next to you can do it, your friends can do it, you can do it. I don't think I have to be Shia LaBeouf to say this, but just do it. Just do it. Thanks again for watching guys, this is Sean with Sin Gravity Fitness. Be sure to subscribe, leave some questions and comments below. And guys, work hard, work long, stay strong.
You feed me, and I'll take care of those guys for you.